Hi readers, here's your video if you like. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with the good, out with the bad. Think to self, not in the discussion. Chat, where are you on the compass? Try to get centered so you can read and answer the questions. Okay, quarter 3, dystopian literature. 1, today's goal, students will be able to read, explore, and process a dystopian text. Ignite, entrance ticket, aka something to think about. Why do you think these kids have a better kids in general have a better imagination than adults? Why do adults cling to logic and truth? Chunk, work time, read. Click here to read. Read aloud, 0 Hour by Ray Bradbury. Then movie version. Please read the story first. The movie is different from the text. 4, chew on it. Review, exit ticket. 4 sentences total. Who is Mink Morris? Mink Morris is, how are the children on Earth being used? The children in this story are being used by, how do you know this? Hints, what do the children get from their houses to bring out by the bushes? And, or what is 0 Hour? On page blank it says, Q4, what is one major theme? The most obvious theme from this story is, bonus question, why would the author write this story? The author wrote this story to tell people that 0 Hour by Ray Bradbury. Thank you.